Bro, na my papa land be this. You dey, I get 100% right over this land. You dey get based on na me be first son. You dey understand? See the boundary. Look all the boundary. You dey get. And if you check the paper, na very legit land. We no dey sell fake land. Na my papa land, and I get 100% right. Family no go even fit cough. I dey tell you this paper na legit paper. Check am. So na very genuine land. I no dey sell fake land. You dey hear?
Wetin be genuine land for there? Wetin dey genuine for the land where you don sell now?
Now you get the land. Our papa land, I sell my papa land. You dey tell me say wetin genuine for inside the land?
Your papa land without the permission of the senior son.
Senior son. Now my mama na be senior wife. You na woman where they marry for another place. They no marry your mama for this marriage. You.
Even though they not marry my mama, who the first born give the man?
Who the first?
Hey, only came your care.
Only made they carry marry.